Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my latest purchase from Amazon. These are the PSIER T16 wireless earbuds. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the item and want to see what does it look like when it comes in, its quality like, etc. So this case came in sealed in plastic, which is nice. I like companies that do that so you know you're not getting anything that's ever been used before. Just a quick look at all the items that you get. I'm going to go ahead and we'll take a look at those. So first, they give you a charging cable for your case. As with most wireless buds, you're going to charge your case, and then your case is what charges your earbuds. It is a USB Type-C charging cable. And then they give you some extra earmuffs for the earbuds. Again, this is the T16 model. Now, because they're earbuds, it's hard to kind of give you an idea of what the quality is like. I did want to talk to you about some of the different features that are on these. As with a lot of earbuds, you can play, pause, you can go to the next song, you can adjust your volume level, you can accept a call, end a call, reject a call, all using the earbuds. This company does have contact information. If you have problems with your product, you can contact them on Amazon, or they have their own website, which is nice. Not a lot of companies on Amazon have that. So that's a look at the instruction manual. Now let's take a look at the case. So when you take the earbuds out, as long as your case is charged, they should turn on automatically. If you look over here, you can see that it's blinking green. Hopefully you can see that. That means that the earbuds are turned on. Let's take a look at the earbuds real quick. Nice and sleek, lightweight. They don't turn on within 3 seconds, then you need to charge your case. You can also press and hold the power button to turn them on manually as well. When we put them back in the case, you will be able to see the battery level of the case. So you can see 92%, and then it's charging my right one. Once I put the left one back in, then now we can see that the left one is being charged. So when you put them back in, you can always see your battery level of your case and that your earbuds are charging. Your input to charge your case is at the bottom. Case is nice and small, so easy to travel with or carry around if you need to. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing of the T16 earbuds. I hope the video helps.